Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So today, 5 days ago, and today I've got a question from one of, like, in the comment section, I've got one of a question like the user, one of our subscriber cannot find the jmeter.bat file in the bin directory. So in this video, we'll see how, what was the issue, but we will just try to help him. So let me go back to the JMeter, and we have like two zip files here, like two zip folders. Like one is under the binaries and the other one is under the source. So first, let me download the Apache JMeter. JMeter 5.6.3.zip. And once I download it, okay, I have already downloaded a version of it. So let me open the file. And here under the directory under the bin, I am able to see jmeter.bat. So here the file is available, the jmeter.bat file is available. And even if not here, okay, in case if we have downloaded the source file, again, I'm just opening the source file here. And yeah, so here I have my source file already downloaded. So let me open the source file.zip. So under here, under the bin folder, there is the jmeter.bat. So my answer to this question is even you check it under the binaries, so you can check it under the Apache JMeter 5.6.3 zip, or even it's under the source, which is Apache JMeter 5.6.3 source.zip. Yes, the files are available. The jmeter.bat file is available. So if you have downloaded in some other location, I'm very sorry, but you can download the latest version from here and you can find the jmeter.bat file from those locations under the bin directory. So I think this video would have been helpful for you. And for those who have not subscribed yet to our Little Slide YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching the video. Until I meet you in our next videos, bye bye from us and your favorite Little Slide YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.